Hello everyone, myself Sukrishna. In this video, I am going to explain Sort DataTable Activity in UiPath Studio. So let's get started. If you want to sort the data table based on the column, we can use the Sort DataTable Activity. I have created one data table containing name and salary. So let's see how we can sort the data table based on the name column and the salary column. So let's click on OK. For sorting the data table, I'm using the sort data table activity. So here we need to provide the input data table for which you wanted to sort the data table. In the output section, if you want, you can use the same input data table, or else you can create the separate data table. I'm using the same input data table. And then we need to provide the column information on which basis you wanted to sort the data table. So here we can provide the column or column index, or else we can mention the column name. So I am mentioning the column name as name, and we can choose the order. We have two options, ascending and descending. So I am choosing the ascending order. To display the output, so I am going to first take the output data table as a text to convert the data table into the text format. I am entering the DT, so the output will come in the text format. I am creating the string variable str text, and then I am going to take one log message to display the output in the output panel. Right? So let's run the process and verify the output. So this is the input data table, and after applying the sort data table, so the data table got sort on the basis of name in the ascending order, right? So let's change the order to descending and verify the output. Now data got sorted on the basis of name in the descending order, right? Now let's sort the data table on the basis of salary column. So I'm changing the order to ascending, and then let's run the process and verify the output. Now the data table got sort on the basis of salary, right, in the ascending order. Now let's change the order to descending. Now the data table got sort on the basis of salary in the descending order, right? This way we can work with sort data table activity in UiPath Studio. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.